Welcome to Quality Minute Insights. I'm Rick Harrington Jr. In 90 seconds, discover why a quality management software like HGI's QMS is essential for manufacturing and regulated industries in 2025. Before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. It helps us bring you more great content. Now let's dive into the show. Paper-based quality management is outdated, causing errors, delays, and compliance risks. Scattered documents and manual processes lead to inconsistent quality and costly rework. A centralized QMS like QMS solves this. QMS's cloud-based database centralizes document control, ensuring real-time access to up-to-date procedures, reducing errors in manufacturing. Its nonconformance and Kappa modules track defects and resolve root causes, meeting stringent standards like ISO 9001 and FDA regulations. The supplier portal streamlines collaboration, ensuring quality materials and compliance. Real-time analytics like Pareto charts drive data-driven improvements, cutting costs and boosting efficiency. In 2025, regulatory pressures and customer expectations demand digital precision. QMS eliminates silos, enhances traceability, and delivers ROI, making it non-negotiable for success. Move out of paper-based to QMS today. Visit harringtongroup.com or call 1-800-ISO 9000 for a demo. Thanks for watching.